Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I'm coming at you with the final video you guys will ever see from Trey. Hopefully, unless something goes wrong, but fingers crossed that doesn't happen. Today for me is Wednesday. You'll probably see this on Thursday, but tomorrow morning we are going to the Secretary of State to deal with the title transfer, and they will be giving me payment at that time as well. The person who's buying it is signing the lease at the office right now as I'm filming this video. So finally, it is being purchased in moving hands. And I think it's going to people who are actually gonna really enjoy it. They said they were excited. It's like an older couple, 50s or 60s. So, you know, it's a bittersweet moment, but I'm happy to be finally selling it. As you guys know, I've been moving into shack and working on all of that. So this is my mobile home, and we're gonna do one final empty tour, and then I'll give you some details on the sale and the park as well, and Beefy. So many people asked about Beefy, and I appreciate that. I'm struggling with him. So this is the kitchen. The shelves are staying. You know, they're beautiful. They were one of my favorite dumpster finds, but they're gonna stay. I can always get some more shelves. Nice big kitchen. I haven't decided on these curtains yet. I think I might take them. But it's been a journey here at this house. It's been fun. I've enjoyed living here. I really haven't had any problems living here. Well, one problem, but you guys know that. But you know, the park has been good to me. It's been a good 2 years living here, and I'm excited to move on and let somebody else have some good time here. So there's the empty kitchen. Here's the empty living area. I still love those built-in shelves. Those I will miss. That'll be one of the things that I do miss. And I love my shiplap still, but this is all staying. Down the little hallway. Here's the smaller room, all empty, my plant room. If you remember, just filled with plants, but now it's empty. These are the curtains I'm going to put up. I'm gonna take down the living room curtains and replace them with those, just because I don't need those, and the people who were buying it appreciated the curtains, but I like the sheer one, so I'm gonna replace it. Laundry. These have been great the past few years. This room has been great. I still haven't gotten my laundry set up at Shack yet, so I miss it. Bathroom, I gotta take the soap. Nice big tub. The whole shebang. You know, I had fun doing all this design work. All the shelves are staying. And then the bigger bedroom, I just hauled the mattress out to the garbage just now. So we're all empty, it's all finished. A little bit of an update on the park. They've been tearing houses down like crazy. There was a house here up until a few weeks ago, and this is actually where Beefy lived. Well, not in the house. He lived underneath that house. And then they tore it down, and I was nervous he would never come back, but he did. And I'm pretty sure he lives under this house right now. As you can see, that skirting is open. Somebody does live in that one. But he still comes. Even though I haven't been staying here for the past week or so, I still come every night to feed him. And for the past 2 weeks, I have been trying incessantly to catch him. I've had the live traps where they go in on their own. I've tried to lure him inside. I've tried to just, coax him to my hand with food, and I've tried to catch him in like a fishing net. I've tried to catch him with a blanket. I've tried to, I had my dad help me wrap the whole porch in chicken wire and then make like a little makeshift door on a string so I could pull it when he was in there. And it almost worked, but he's just so fast, guys, and he's very alert. He's very aware of all the sounds around him. I mean, he lives outside, so he has to be cautious. I understand, but I'm running out of time to get him, and I haven't told the new people about him yet. I'm still hoping to get him to come with me, but I might just be like, hey, I'm gonna be around trying to catch this cat. I don't know yet. But they have torn down so many houses. It's kind of hard to see. There was never any right here, but they've torn down so many. I would say maybe 10 in my immediate vicinity of the old ones. And they are putting up, the park is, tons and tons of new ones. If you guys remember, up until a few months ago, this field across from me was empty, and now there's like 20 houses over there and people already moved in, and you know, good for the park, but I'm glad I'm getting out. It's still quiet. It's still, you know, not super busy or anything. I still enjoyed living here, and I genuinely think this is a good place to live. I will not miss the lot rent. Honestly, that's the main reason I'm leaving. They raised the lot rent $50, and if I don't have to pay it, why would I? So that's why I mainly left, and I enjoy relocating. So here's a different view of the houses. But I am selling this house, Trey, for $18,000. I originally had it listed for $24,900. That was in April. And then I brought it down to $22,500, and then $20,000, and then finally $18,000 is where it sold at, which I'm happy with because all in all, including the purchase price and the renovation costs, I have about $16,000 in this house. So I will be recouping all of what I put into it, plus an extra few thousand. And I lived here, like I got good use out of it. You know what I mean? Even if I didn't recoup all my money, I got my money's worth living here. But I recouped all my costs. So that's good. It was just hard to find, since I'm selling on my own, not through the park, so they don't take a cut of the money. It was hard to find a buyer who could pay in all cash. I couldn't offer any financing. So eventually I did, and they're gonna pay me in cashier's check tomorrow. But that's about it. I don't know if you can see, but this is another thing I'll miss. The grass is kind of long right now. There's a little trail right here that goes between the shed, and it curves a little bit and comes to my patio. That's the trail that Beefy took every day to come eat. So I think that trail is super cute, and I will miss that. But like I said, I'm still trying on him. I'm not giving up on him yet. That's it though. I don't think I have anything else to share with you. Garbage can is gonna stay. Let me zoom out. I think that's it. This is gonna be my last video in here. I got the keys on the counter ready for them to take ownership tomorrow. And then I will no longer be the homeowner here at Trey. But it's been a good 2 years, and I know a lot of you have been here the whole time, so I really appreciate that. And thanks for sticking with me on my new journey. But as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more new house update videos. And when the time is right, I will get back to dumpster diving. So thank you guys. I appreciate the support as always. And I will see you. Oh, I forgot. There's things I wanted to tell you that I'm not going to miss about this place. But thank you anyways. That's going to be my ending. I'm not going to end it like that again. So just a quick side note. The internet here was horrible. They only have satellite internet. So I started with HughesNet, which was a nightmare, absolute nightmare. So expensive, data caps, didn't even work. I had to pay to cancel like a lot. But then I eventually got T-Mobile satellite internet, which was much better, much cheaper. And it worked. However, it didn't work that great. So the whole 2 years I lived here, I never uploaded a video from this house. I either uploaded it from my friend's house, my parents' house, my sister's house, work, Starbucks. Just kidding, I never went to Starbucks, but you know, places like that. I never uploaded it from this house because when I tried, it took 7 hours. That's how bad the internet was. So that is something I will not miss. My internet is already better at Shack, and it's just cheapo Comcast. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. Or not update, but inform you. I think that's it for now. Yep. All right, guys, now I'm gonna say goodbye for real. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.